In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Brave browser across devices. If you use Brave browser on more than one device, syncing your data can make your browsing experience much more convenient and organized. By enabling Brave Sync, you can keep your bookmarks, browsing history, saved passwords, settings, and other important information updated across your computer, phone, or tablet. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the complete process of connecting your devices securely using Brave's built-in sync feature. To begin, open Brave browser on your computer and wait for the browser window to fully load. Once the browser is ready, move your cursor to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see the menu icon represented by 3 horizontal lines. Click on this icon to open Brave's main menu. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will take you to Brave's main settings page, where you can customize browser preferences and manage important features related to privacy, performance, and synchronization. Once you're inside the settings page, look toward the left-hand sidebar where the categories are listed. Click on Sync. This section allows you to connect multiple devices so your browsing data stays consistent wherever you use Brave browser. Inside the Sync section, click on Start Using Sync to begin the setup process. Brave Sync is designed with privacy in mind, allowing your browsing data to transfer securely between your devices without relying on traditional cloud-based account syncing methods. Next, choose the option labeled Start a New Sync Chain. A sync chain acts as a secure connection between all the devices you want linked together. Creating a new sync chain gives you control over which devices can access and share your synchronized browser data. Brave will now ask whether you want to connect a phone, tablet, or another computer. Select the option that matches the device you plan to sync next. After making your selection, Brave will display 2 methods for connecting the second device. You can either scan the QR code or use a sync code manually. If you're connecting a mobile device, scanning the QR code is usually the fastest and easiest method. However, if you prefer using a text-based method, click View Sync Code instead. Brave will generate a unique sync chain code that acts as the secure key for your connected devices. Copy the sync code carefully, then move to the second device you want to connect. Open Brave browser on that device and follow the same steps to reach the sync settings page. This time, select I have a sync code instead of creating a new sync chain. Paste the sync code into the provided field and confirm the connection. After a few moments, your devices will begin syncing automatically, allowing your browsing information to stay updated across all connected devices. And that's it! You've successfully synced Brave browser across your devices for a smoother and more connected browsing experience. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.